Hello guys! Welcome back again to our YouTube channel, Han and Kai. So today is April 29, 2024. And this day as well, we receive a letter from BAMF. Okay, for the my integration course and for the result of my Leben in Deutschland. So this is the letter that they send us today. So let's see what's inside of this letter here that they gave me. And let's see what is my score in Leben in Deutschland. Okay. So I have three letters. I have three letters, guys. So these are the three letters. Integration course certificate and Leben in Deutschland certificate. And the third one is like information, or they congratulate me that I passed my Leben in Deutschland. So they said, I'm gonna read it to you guys. Guten Tag, Hanna. Sie haben an der Sprachprüfung B1 und der Test in Leben in Deutschland erfolgreich teilgenommen. Hierzu beglückwünsche ich Sie. Das Zertifikat Integrationscourse und die Bescheinigung über das Ergebnis des Test Leben in Deutschland füge ich als Anlage bei. So this part as well, they are informing me, not only congratulating me that I passed my B1 in integration course and my Leben in Deutschland, but also they are informing me to if I want to take the Berufssprach course. That is the B2. So they're informing me if I like to get they're offering me to get the B2 so I can get a better job and to get more deeper on my Deutschsprache, on learning this Deutsch, and to get a better job in the future if I like to pursue my Bukaltung's journey in Philippines, here in Germany. Pero masakit na sa ulo, guys. Alam niyo yan. So, masakit na talaga sa ulo yung Deutschsprache, kaya hindi ko alam kung ipupursue ko yung B2. But here as well, so they said, ich möchte Sie noch auf die Möglichkeit einer berufsbezogenen Sprachförderung Berufssprachkurs hinweisen. Dies ist ein Kursangebot für alle Personen mit Migrationshintergrund, die für die erfolgreiche Aufnahme von Arbeit noch berufsbezogene Deutschkenntnisse benötigen. Bei Interesse verweise ich auf die Internetadresse. So yeah, they give me information where I can connect they said here in Job Center or in internet in www.bamfe.de. So this information, if I'm interested to take the B2. So pag B2 naman na, guys, I think I can get it for free tuition. So I can study. Basta, guys, yung certificate dapat within 6 months, dapat yung certificate na hawak ko na ito, dapat 6 months pa lang nagamit ko na siya for my B2 if I like to continue the B2. Pero kung more than 1 year na yung certificate mo and you plan to take the B2, possible ay i-check ka nila for interview if you are required to take the B2 or baka i-return ka sa B1, I don't know. Or maybe you need to pay. So, kasi yung isa kong kaibigan, if you know Nova, di ba, we visit her last time, she's taking the B2 here in Germany. So, after ng B1 niya mapas, nag-B2 siya. And hindi siya nagbabayad ngayon. So, they also connected in job center like this. And she proceed the B2. So, hindi siya nagbayad ng kanyang B2 na. So, possible may ganun din akong case kung gusto ko talagang i-push yung B2. Pero sa ngayon, wala pa akong hindi ko pa alam. So, better maghanap muna ako ng ibang job maybe for starter. Then, we'll see. Once makakita, go, hindi na ako mag-B2. Pero kung hindi, baka mag-B2 ako. So, ganun yung ano ko, parang plans ko ngayon. But for now, 50-50, ayoko talaga mag-B2. So yeah, let's proceed na sa ating certificate na Leven in Deutschland. So yan yung certificate ko, guys. Papakita ko na lang dito. And, di ba, ang galing. Sabi ko nga kay Abby nung nakita ko to. Uy, ang smart ko pa din. Praise God for giving me wisdom. I got perfect score, di ba? I got perfect in Leven in Deutschland. Kung tutusin, guys, napakadali lang talaga ng Leven in Deutschland. Yun nga lang, syempre, you need to undergo 100 hours to know more about this book and this life here, living in Germany. And if you have some question, information about living in Deutschland, during the integration course, dun mo tatanong or malalaman. Lalo na kung baguhan ka dito na nakatira sa Germany. So, but then the exam is really so einfach, sehr einfach. It's not so schwer, or it's not so hard. So, I'm gonna share as well how did I pass it or what tips I can give to you so you can easily get the perfect score like me here in this vlog. So that's my Leven in Deutschland score. I got perfectly super prima. So as well, here's my certificate of integration scores. I'm just gonna share it with you. Yan. So, bukod sa B1 certificate from Bauhaes that I get, this is really the certificate that you need. So, you can possibly refund your money if you're paying the school. So, yeah. But guys, I will make a vlog as well in our next vlog, or once I process how can we refund the 50% that we pay in the school. So, I will share as well here in our YouTube channel. Just watch and be updated lang. I'll make as well in the next time, okay? Hindi ko siya include dito kasi on process pa lang kami sa pag-prepare ng or pag-gather ng documents and where can we get the information on getting our 50% that we paid here in the school. So I'll make as well how to make or how will you refund the here in this vlog, okay? But in the next time na. So yeah, so sabi ko nga sa inyo, I also like to share kung paano ko na-pass yung Leven in Deutschland ko with a complete and perfectly points, di ba, sa Leven in Deutschland. So let's read this information. I will also share the information where I get this in our description below here, okay? So, let's proceed. So, the aim of the integration scores is that you pass the final examination. So, the final examination consists of 2 language tests, namely the German language test for immigrants. That's the DTC or DTZ. So, yun yung B1, DTC. And the Life in Germany test or Leven in Deutschland. So that's the integration course consists in the final examination. So sabi or you like to do, what do you learn in the Leven in Deutschland or Life in Germany? In this orientation course, when you undergo, normally it includes the information about living in Germany, the questions as of new immigrant living here in Germany. It also includes the information about the political system, your rights as a person living here in Germany, the religious diversity, and the equal rights for men and women, and the rules in the government here in Germany. So that's what you learn in the Leven in Deutschland. So normally, let's proceed now the information on taking the exam. Or can I get the tips for passing it perfectly? So diba? Normally, the Leven in Deutschland will have a separate exam for your B1 exam and the Leuven and Deutschland. Separate sila, but of course, the school will give the information to you. So, the Leuven and Deutschland is just 1 hour. 1 hour lang siya. And then, you will take it in 1 hour, 60 minutes, 33 questions normally. And to get and pass the Leuven and Deutschland, at least 15 points. So, out of 33, 15 points is the normal points. So, you don't need to retake. So, parang ganon. But, concerning the naturalization or Einbürgerungstest test per Ordnung, or like you're planning to, in the future, to get a German nationality, or you like to change your national to German, and for the naturalization, di ba? So, the mandatory to answer at least to get a point is 17 points out of 33. So, 15 points is okay. Like, you don't need to retake if you don't need the naturalization or change your nationality to German. But if you like to get a naturalization or to be a German in the future, you need to get a 17 points. So, 17 points. So, sobra-sobra na ako, 33. So, ano yan guys? Normally, you can get this information or the Leuven in Deutschland exam in internet. You can search it. So, many information, 310 questions. 300 is the information about the rules, rights, the government, the history as well pala. The history in Germany, like in the First and Second World War, like that. And it was consisted 300 questions. And then the additional is 10. So, 10 is for your kung saan kang Bundesland. So, kami sa Bayern kami. So, yung 10 information doon is for the Bayern. So, total or consist of 310 questions in internet. But the actual is only 33. So, kukuha sila, ang examiner doon ay kukuha lang ng 33. So, irarambol-rambol nila yon. And up to you, how will you answer it? So dito na tayo papasok sa where did I learn it, or where is the application that I get to know more about the test. So, normally, you can easily download the 300 questions in internet. Okay, guys? I'm gonna try to search as well. Ano yun guys, na-print ko siya sa papel. So yan, this 300 question, you can print that. You can download and print it. So you have information first para mas madali mo siyang makabisado or maintindihan. So this is the form. Der Test Leuven in Deutschland, alle Fragen auf Lernkarten. So I'll share it in the description below para you can easily see or download this information. It's free guys, so you can easily download. Also, after that, yan muna yung ginawa ko guys, na tips. Printin ko yan. And then, they also give naman the books, pero mas maganda yan. Kasi yung books na ipoprovide ng school, information na yan about sa integration or orientation course mo during. So, this information naman or tips is for the actual exam na malapit ka na mag-exam. So, nag-review ako 1 week before ng exam namin. So, in-enjoy ko muna yung orientation course namin in Leuven in Deutschland na 100 hours. Then, nung alam ko na 1 week before na lang exam na namin, so, dyan na ako nag-start. Prinin ko yung form na yan. Yan muna. So, kinabisado ko muna yan. And then, after that, nag-proceed ako sa application na to. So, yan. That's the application that you can use for your Leuven in Deutschland exam. So, 1 week lang, guys. Talagang nakabisado ko yan. 310 question for Bayern. Included na yung Bayern sa 10 question. And, sabi ko nga, 33. Kaya yan. Kung kahit 10, 30 nga lang mapasko, okay na. But sabi ko nga, kung ibigay nila more than 300 or 200 or 100, I think I can do it. Kasi during 1 week na yon talagang napaperfect ko siya. Na-enjoy ko talaga siya yung online app na yan. So, napakadali niya. Napakadali talaga niya. Kung huwag kayo ma-pressure. Sabi ko nga, sana yung level in Deutschland is ano na lang, B1 na lang nung time na yun. Kasi sobrang dali niya talaga. So, yan lang. That's the information about my level in Deutschland certificate today, April 29, 2024. And so, abangan nyo rin guys kung paano namin ni Habi refund yung binayad namin dito sa integration course namin. And abangan nyo rin guys kung ano bang plano ko talaga. So, sa ngayon wala pa talaga akong plano mag-dito. Ayoko talaga. Masakit sa ulo. Alam niyo yan. Ayoko talaga. Kahit na I have a degree in Philippines, I also have a good erfahrung, kumbaga, in my previous job. So, iba na kasi dito. Buti sana kung English, di ba? Okay lang. Deutsch hindi pa ganun kaganda or better yung Deutsch ko, kaya ayoko na talaga. Tsaka masakit sa ulo kasi more on, iba na yung B2. More on, i-revinong na. What's, kumbaga, opinion na and Vorschlag on many information about B2. About your plan for your job as well, di ba? Pero sa ngayon, wala pa talaga. So, yan. This is only for the level in Deutschland information. And we're gonna end now the vlog for today. Thank you for watching our vlog, and please don't forget to click the notifications bell and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you're always notified on our next vlog that we will share here. So, God bless you and cheers!